Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Apeejay Surrendra Park Hotels. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings now. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I'll give you a brief introduction on the company. Apeejay Surrendra Park Hotels is a luxury boutique hotel company with 7 hotels across major cities in India. It also manages boutique hotels, resorts, luxury cruisers, and standalone restaurants. The company is known for its contemporary luxury boutique hospitality and innovative design, catering to international corporate and leisure travelers. So that's a brief introduction on the company. Now let's move on to the consolidated numbers. So the numbers are in crores. So this is a recently ended quarter, this is the previous quarter, and this is a previous year June ended quarter numbers. So coming to the total income year on year, it has increased from 130 crores to 138 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 6%. And quarter on quarter it actually fell from 155 crores to 138 crores. So that accounts to almost 11% of fall in terms of uh, the total income. So coming to the total expenses, year on year it has increased from 90 crores to 96 crores, and quarter on quarter again it has increased from 102 crores to 96 crores. So that's the expense. And now to discuss on the operating profit margins. So in the previous year June ended quarter, it was at 30.6%, and in the previous quarter it was standing at 34.5%, and in the current quarter it stands to almost at 30.2%. So that's the numbers in terms of the operating profit margins. So now let's look at the net profits. So year on year it has dropped from 8 crores to almost negative 1 crores, accounting to a fall of almost 123% of fall in terms of the net profits. So coming to the quarter on quarter numbers, again it has fell by almost 110% in terms of the numbers. So that's the profits or losses for the company in terms of both quarter on quarter as well as quarter on quarter as well as the year on year numbers. So I can see in terms of the EBIT, so company is standing at a good amount of profits. Year on year it has doubled, but quarter on quarter it slightly fell. The only problem was deferred tax. So it's one time expenses. The company is claiming almost 19 crores of deferred tax. Apart from that, company looks fine in terms of the numbers. Yeah, we have to wait for that in terms of this numbers and how it pans out in the coming quarter numbers. So now let's look at the EPS. Year on year it has decreased from 0.46 to 0.09, that is loss, minus in terms of the quarter on quarter, again it has decreased from 0.86 to negative 0.09 rupees. So now let's dig deep into the segmental numbers. The two segments, one is the hospitality and the other one, so others will not consider. So in terms of the operating the hospitality segment, the numbers are increasing quarter on year on year, but quarter on quarter it is decreasing, and they are able to generate the profits as well in terms of the year on year numbers, but quarter on quarter again it has fell by almost 12 crores in terms of the profits. So and also in terms of the assets, assets are increasing both quarter on quarter as well as year on year, so that's a good sign for the company. So coming to the summary of the whole quarterly results in terms of the percentage growth, that is in terms of the total income as well as net profits in terms of year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So looking at that year on year number in terms of the total income has increased by 6%, and quarter on quarter fell by almost 11%. And quarter on quarter numbers, the income coming to the net profits, it has fell by almost 123%, and quarter on quarter again fell by 110%. And coming to the operating profit margins, so year on year it is flat at 30%, and quarter on quarter it has fell by almost 4%. So that's the numbers. Overall I see company has not given a good numbers, but to consider this number rather than this number, we have to consider this number. If we consider this number as there is a one-time expenses of 19 crores, so company has done not bad in terms of the profits. So nullifying this number, I feel so yeah, again it's not that we have to take that as something that shouldn't be considered, but that needs to be considered as the company has gone into net losses. But yeah, we have to look at it in the in the upcoming quarters how that pans out. So apart from that, the one-time expense, company has given a okayish numbers or flat numbers, but yeah, year on year it has doubled down in terms of the profits, but apart from the deferred tax, that is one-time expenses, company has done okayish. So overall I see company has given a flat numbers, but let's see how market reacts to this set of numbers. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and share this video to your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in this company, so that they will be aware of the quarterly numbers. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. With that, I'll come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in